session, we are going to study integration of type linear by root of quadratic. So, you have a linear function in the numerator and a quadratic function in the denominator, and you can have root or without root also, but in this session we are going to study with the root in the denominator. Okay. So, what is the rule here? You will write linear is equal to a into d by dx of quadratic plus b. So what is the linear function here? The linear function here is 6x plus 7, which is same as a into what is d by dx of quadratic? The derivative of the quadratic function. So this is the quadratic function here. So derivative of x square is 2x minus, so I write minus, and the derivative of 9x is 9, and plus derivative of 20 is 0, which I am not going to write. So plus b. Now you got linear equal to derivative of the quadratic term, which is in the question, plus b. Okay. Whenever you write, do not forget to write the dx after the integral symbol. Okay. Now I am going to get the values of a and b. I can do two methods. One is substitute the value for x intelligently and get the value for b, or I can equate the coefficients. What is coefficient of x in the left hand side? 6. What is coefficient of x in the right hand side? 2a, because when you multiply you will get 2ax. Okay, so 6 is equal to 2a, which implies a is equal to 3. Now I am going to equate the constant terms. What is the constant term in the left hand side? 7 is the constant term in the left hand side. Right hand side I get the constant term when I multiply this a with this negative 9. So minus 9a, and b is also constant term because there is no x with b. So I get 7 is equal to minus 9 into what is a? A is 3. Already I got a is 3. Whenever you do in the exam, put a rectangle and keep it ready so you can readily copy it wherever you require. Plus b. So 7 is equal to minus 27 plus b, or 7 plus 27 is b, or I get b equal to 34. Draw a rectangle and keep it ready. Now what happens to our integral here? We have written 6x plus 7 as a into, what is a here? 3. So this is same as integral 3 into 2x minus 9 plus b. What is b? b is 34 whole divided by square root of x square minus 9x plus 20 and dx here. Okay. Now this is same as integral. I am going to write it as two integrals. 3 into 2x minus 9 divided by square root of x square minus 9x plus 20, and then dx plus integral 34 dx divided by square root of x square minus 9x plus 20. So I name this as I1 and I name this as I2. I2 is just done by completing the square. So you watch my previous video which is in the playlist to know how to complete the square. Okay. But anyway I will be explaining it quickly in this video. So I1 I am going to do now. So are you able to identify the derivative of the denominator is readily in the numerator, but there is a square root sign. Okay. So what is the substitution for I1? Now I am going to do I1. The substitution is x square minus 9x plus 20 is t. So differentiating both sides, 2x minus 9 dx is dt. So what happens to your I1 now is 3 can come outside the integral. 2x minus 9 into dx is nothing but dt divided by square root of t, which is nothing but t into, this is integral t power negative half into dt. And what is the integration of t to the power of minus half? T to the power of half divided by half. I am not writing plus c here because after the integration is completed, I can write it in one place. That is enough. Okay. So this is nothing but 6 times root t. Keep it ready. Okay. Now I am going to do the I2 integral here. What is I2? You know, I need to complete the square for this. 34 can come outside the integral. Dx divided by square root of x square minus 9x plus 20. So when I complete the square, I will get integral dx divided by x minus 9 by 2 the whole square minus 1 by 2 the whole square. Okay, there is a square root, please write it. Okay, and what formula I am going to apply here? You know, integral of dx by square root of x square minus a square formula. Okay, it's nothing but log of x plus root of x square minus a square. Okay, so can I apply it here? So this is same as 34 into log of, what is in x place? X place I have x minus 9 by 2 plus I have to, this is the completed square form. So instead I can copy the whole question as I told you in my previous video. This is square root of x square minus 9x plus 20. So you have completed the integration. Here also in the I1 I should substitute for t and then stop. What is t? Square root of x square minus 9x plus 20. So what is the final answer? Your final answer is, you will add this to this and then you will write 1 plus c. So your answer will be 6 into square root of x square minus 9x plus 20 plus 34 log modulus x minus 9 by 2 plus square root of x square minus 9x plus 20, close the modulus and then plus c. Okay, now you should know how to complete the square for x square minus 9x plus 20. I will explain it to you here. So x square minus 2 into x into 9 by 2 is the completed square form. So plus 81 by 4 and minus 81 by 4, and there is already a plus 20. So this is nothing but x minus 9 by 2 the whole square, which I wrote here, and the simplification part of minus 81 by 4 and 20 is written here. Okay, hope it is clear for you.